We decided to build with Taylor Homes because actually this was my third house. We had built our original house 15 years ago and was so pleased with Taylor, so pleased that it is an all-brick home and has, the plans were up to date. You could choose anything you wanted. And then after that, I decided we built 2 more houses to sell. So it was just an exciting event. It was just something that worked out really good for us. Our experience with the design and construction team, I have to give it a 10 out of 10. And the girls over there helped so much. They were intelligent, experienced, so helpful. They helped us every step of the way. We got our pricing to where we wanted it. And then when the initial building started, our superintendent was always around. He would answer anything we wanted and was always there to answer our calls. Taylor Homes stood out to us from other builders because we actually did get prices and knowledge from 2 other builders in the area. And Taylor Homes always beat the quality and the price for us. It just was so much better. Taylor Homes uses quality products. When you would see the lumber trucks come in, they would always have the name of a large lumber company that everyone knows about, and we knew the quality was right there. Same for the windows, same for the brick. I just can't say enough that it is quality products. I would absolutely recommend Taylor Homes to future home builders. As a matter of fact, after we built our second house and sold it, there was 3 other houses in our development that they came to our house, they looked at it, they liked it, wanted to know what I would recommend. I said, you know, call Taylor Homes and go over there and sit down with them and talk, and I think you're going to be pleased. So they did. So we had 3 other houses going up in the neighborhood. I think what impresses me the most about Taylor Homes is the process from the very beginning to the end. It literally was so much fun to go to the office and pick out your plans with the help of the girls over there. And it seemed like it was a family affair. We could call them and ask them questions, and then when the superintendent got involved in our building process, it was just fun. From day one, it was fun. And I think that's why it's nice to build a home with Taylor Homes, is because they keep you involved. They keep you involved every step of the way, and you feel like family. And at the end, you still feel like family.
Now you've got a home.